Form W-4, recently revised, is used by employees to communicate to employers how much money to withhold from their paycheck for federal income tax withholding purposes. Social Security and Medicare tax are withheld using a flat rate, but federal income tax withholding uses progressive rates, meaning the more money you make, the higher your effective federal income tax withholding rate will be. Employers are responsible for withholding and remitting federal income tax to the IRS on behalf of their employees each pay period. Because the effective tax rate is determined by multiple factors, the point of the W-4 is to estimate your actual tax liability for the year, helping your employer withhold the amount of tax actually owed so that under and over withholding can be avoided. Employees annually file an individual income tax return called Form 1040, reporting taxable wages. Based on your filing status, dependents, tax credits, and deductions, the IRS will determine your actual federal income tax due. If it turns out your federal income tax was underwithheld for the year, the difference will be due and you may be subject to penalty or interest. If it turns out your federal income tax was overwithheld for the year, you will receive a refund, but you will have loaned the government an interest-free loan for the year. Completing the Form W-4 correctly will hopefully avoid both scenarios by helping your employer withhold just the right amount of tax. Depending on your circumstances, the form can be completed in under a minute. To start, fill out your name, social security number, address, and filing status. For some people, the rest of the form may not apply, so at this point you could sign, date, and return the form to your employer. Step 2 of the form lists 3 different options to proceed if you hold more than one job at a time or are married filing jointly and your spouse has a job too. You can use the tax withholding estimator online, which is fantastic, the multiple jobs worksheet included in the form instructions, or you can check the only box in step 2 if there are only 2 similar paying jobs. If your personal tax situation has any level of complexity, use the online estimator and follow the prompts to receive an accurate look at future tax liability, optimal withholding amounts, and instructions on how to exactly complete the W-4 to achieve your desired goal. Step 3 is for claiming dependents, which are qualifying children or relatives. Step 4 presents the opportunity for non-job related income to be factored, itemized deductions to be accounted for, and the option to withhold a specified extra amount of tax. Step 5 just requires a date and signature. Once the form is completed and returned to the employer, the changes must be in effect by the first payroll period following the form submission for a new hire or 30 days from the form submission date for a current employee. If no W-4 is submitted by a new hire, the employer will be required to withhold federal income tax using the filing status of single with no adjustments, which means the amount withheld might be higher than what is actually due. How the employer processes the W-4 and actually calculates federal income tax withholding will be covered in a separate video. If you have any questions regarding the Form W-4, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.